Are you encountering Wi-Fi connectivity issues on your Mac running macOS Sequoia? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Hello friends, I am Carly. In this video, I will show a series of effective solutions. So let's watch the video till the end. First, let's start with a simple solution. Turn Wi-Fi off and on. If the Wi-Fi doesn't show up in the list, go to the Apple menu and click on System Settings. Then, go to the Wi-Fi Settings section. Turn off the Wi-Fi toggle and wait for a moment. Then, turn it back on. As you can see, my Mac automatically connects to the known Wi-Fi network. If the problem persists, restart your Mac computer. A fresh start can often resolve any temporary glitches. So restart your Mac and then try to connect to the Wi-Fi network. If you're connected but facing problems like authentication, network configuration issues, IP address conflicts, corrupt network profiles, or intermittent connectivity, follow the next solution. Forget and reconnect to the network. You can access the Wi-Fi settings from the System Settings or by clicking on the Wi-Fi icon at the top and selecting Wi-Fi settings. Here, click on the Details button next to a connected network. Then, click on Forget this network button. A Remove Wi-Fi confirmation pop-up may appear. If you're sure, then select the Remove option. As you can see here, the Wi-Fi network name has been removed. It may be found under the Other Networks list. To reconnect, tap on the Connect option next to the Wi-Fi network name and enter a password for the Wi-Fi network. Make sure you remember the Wi-Fi password. That's it. If your Wi-Fi is grayed out or you can't access the Wi-Fi toggle, then enable Wi-Fi using Terminal. Press the command space to open the Spotlight search and type Terminal. Please select it and hit the return key to launch the Terminal app. Copy the command from the video description and hit the return key to run it. If you notice an asterisk next to Wi-Fi in the output, the Wi-Fi service is disabled. As you can see, the output may differ on a desktop PC. Run the second command displayed on a video screen. You can copy and paste it into the terminal and hit the return key. As you can see here, the Wi-Fi service is active now. If your Mac fails to connect to a specific network, move to the next solution. Delete and add a new Wi-Fi service. This allows your Mac to establish a new connection with default settings. Go to the Apple menu and click on System Settings. Click on the Network section, right-click on Wi-Fi, and select Delete Service. Confirmation pop-up may appear. If you're sure, then select the Remove option. Then, click three dots to open the drop-down menu at the bottom right side. Click on Add Service. After that, click on the drop-down menu next to Interface. Then, select Wi-Fi and change the service name to Wi-Fi. At last, click on the Create button. Your device will connect to the Wi-Fi network. If you see an orange light under Wi-Fi, your Wi-Fi is disconnected. It would help if you right-click beside Wi-Fi to connect. That's it. If you're experiencing issues like web pages failing to load for several minutes or disconnecting from games or sites, change DNS settings. The process of changing DNS settings to a public DNS like Google DNS can improve network connectivity. Let's see the steps. Go to the Apple menu and click on System Settings. After that, click on the Network section on the left sidebar. Then click to open the Wi-Fi section. Here, click on the Details button next to the Wi-Fi name. Then, click on DNS on the left side. If DNS records are not available, you need to add them manually. To do so, click the plus icon and enter 8.8.8.8. Also, add a second one. Click on the plus icon and enter 8.8.4.4. Head to the Chrome browser and open the speed test website to check whether the Wi-Fi works. Repair Wi-Fi system files, delete Wi-Fi plist files. Launch the Finder app on your Mac computer and click on the Go menu at the top menu bar. Then, select Go to Folder and enter the system configuration path. You can copy it from the video description. Then hit the return key. You should back up your network-related files on your Mac desktop. Then, find and delete the listed files under the system configuration. Now, enter the password to allow access to remove network-related files on your Mac and click the OK button. Also, empty the trash bin. Afterwards, restart your Mac to generate a new network list. Now, try to connect to the Wi-Fi network. This process renews the internet address from the network your Mac is connected to. Disable VPN. If you're using a VPN, it may interface with your Wi-Fi connection. So go to the System Settings, click on the VPN section, and disable the VPN. If you can't do so, click on the I button next to the VPN toggle and click on Remove Configuration. Again, click on Remove to confirm. That's it. If you are still facing the same issue, try a different network. Try connecting to another Wi-Fi network. If it works fine, the problem might be with your original network. If you are getting DNS-related errors or slow browsing speed, the next solution is to clear the DNS cache. Clearing the DNS cache can force your Mac to fetch the latest DNS information, which can help you resolve Wi-Fi issues and improve browsing speed and connectivity. Launch the terminal on your Mac and type the command displayed on the video screen, or copy and paste it from the description. Then press the return key. After that, enter your Mac lock screen password. That's it. Use Wireless Diagnostics. Your Mac device has a built-in wireless diagnostic tool that helps you diagnose and fix Wi-Fi issues. It identifies signal interference, configuration, and connectivity problems, generates detailed reports of your Wi-Fi connection, offers step-by-step troubleshooting solutions. It helps you monitor Wi-Fi performance over time, recognize intermittent issues, and more. Let's see how to use Wireless Diagnostics. Press and hold down the Option key and click on the Wi-Fi icon. Then click on Open Wireless Diagnostics. Follow the on-screen video steps and wait to create the diagnostic report. Reset NVRAM, PRAM, and SMC. The modern Mac uses NVRAM instead of PRAM. Resetting NVRAM helps solve network-related issues on your device. For MacBooks with non-removable batteries. To reset NVRAM and PRAM, first shut down your Mac. Then press the power button to turn it on. At the same time, press and hold the Option, Command, P, and R keys together for at least 20 seconds. After that, release the keys. Reset SMC process helps you solve power-related or hardware-related problems. First, shut down your MacBook and press the Shift-Control Option keys together. Then, press the power button for 10 seconds. Then, remove your fingers from all keys and turn on your Mac. For desktop Mac, shut down your Mac and unplug it. Then, please wait for 15 seconds and plug it back in. After that, turn on your desktop Mac. That's it. Reinstall macOS using Bootable drive. As a last solution, you can reinstall macOS using a bootable drive. Follow the separate source given in video description and pin comment. This will give you a fresh start and can resolve persistent issues. Make sure to back up your data before proceeding. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest technical tips and tricks videos.